stretched? Yeah, it's stretched. Yeah, I figured that.
This way, this variant, I cut right here and extended it 4 inches so that I could get really low right there.
The whole body of this bike, you can't go by.
Yeah, I could tell.
He ordered everything in and then didn't like the design, cut everything apart, and
This
just
right
started
here,
over.
from right there forward, I handmade all that. So, because before it just went straight down, I didn't like it, so I wanted it to roll into.
Nice, bro.
I get a little stupid with fiberglass. We redid the body lines of the back right here. This is all handmade, the body line. Body line in the back's all handmade. We actually raised the top of this so it met the grills better.
Boy, this thing nice.
Yeah, Corey put a loud ass sound system on it. I just smoked one of the speakers. That one said good night.
And how many speakers on here?
16 speakers, 12 tweeters, 13 amplifiers, 5 batteries, 35,000 watts.
Shit. This thing is beautiful, boy.
Just a thought process to lay it all out. Yeah. That's what told me about it.
How did it look when you bought it?
Like a factory bike. This thing's only got 450 miles on it. So, look like that.
Just a regular bike.
Literally. 458 miles.
Well, that's a bad one.
Yeah. Where the fuck you gonna use this? Ready. Damn ready. So the thing behind the bike is it's kind of the good and evil in everybody.
Yeah.
So it starts with Jesus. And then it's got the statues down, and these are actual statues you find in various places in the world, Rome and all that. And of course, on the left side's got the demons. And then it converges back there. If you notice, she's got a horn on one side, and on the other side. They're like she's darker over here, lighter over here. The feathers are more edgier here, more flowy here. Even the tribal's a little bit more edgier here, and flowy there. So it's kind of like the convergence of good and evil into one person. Cook custom paint, dude. If you want something painted, he's the best. He came up with the idea and the theme of it. That dude, you just, once he comes up with something, you say, okay, you leave him the hell alone, let him do his thing.
He local too?
Yeah. Over there off Green Acres Road, 228. That's me. I'm alter ego audio design.
Once they get done talking, so they'll work.
Bikes and depending on the car,